Getting some snow to boil water. Did not expect a snowstorm, but here we are. Good thing I had things like a shovel and such. Amazingly, that Starlink is actually working in the snow. And it heats the snow, so it actually melts it, so it doesn't sit on it. It's pretty amazing, really. Snow is such a divine thing if you think about it. It gives you water, you can melt it, all sorts of things. In fact, I got this message like, I didn't expect to be up here for 7 days. That wasn't really the plan. I had some food with me and stuff, and some water, but I didn't think I was like going to be on the mountain for this period of time. But it's an example of how the universe provides. I'm running out of water, and literally the storm is coming just in time for me to melt some down. And so I'm so grateful for that. Now this water here, this is Mount Shasta, is what feeds the Sacramento in California, all the way down to LA. So this divine water, or what will melt and become water, feeds the headwaters here that lead all the way down the Sacramento. So incredible gratitude to all source, universe, whomever else, all the divine that are involved with this.